A lot of you must be thinking, what makes Shiba Inu so valuable? Well, in today's video, we are going to discuss why is Shiba Inu so valuable and why it can make you rich. Before I start my video, all I would ask from you is, if you're interested in content like cryptocurrency, please do subscribe our channel and like this video. Hit the notification bell icon so that you get updated every time we post a new video. Let's get started. So, does meme have value? A lot of us must be thinking about it, if the memes that we produce in market have the value or not. Shiba Inu, which has become the 11th biggest cryptocurrency by market value and has an amazing fan base of a lot of people. What does it mean that it is the 11th biggest cryptocurrency by market value? It means that a token that is created by someone called Ryoshi and is themed after a Japanese hunting dog is now worth more than $30 billion, about double the market capitalization of Peloton Interactive Incorporation and the gross domestic product of Albania. Can you believe it? Well, it's hard to say. Shiba Inu was even able to briefly surge ahead of Dogecoin. It apparently its best friend, you can say. And the coin's value remained higher than those of blockchain's network, with lots of development like Avalanche, Terra and Polygon. How did Shiba Inu reach here? This meme stock live and die by attention, and the unusual backstory of SHIB, as the token is known, is rooted in a publicity stunt. Early on, Ryoshi gave half of the supply of Shiba Inu to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, one of the most respected and well-known people in crypto. Buterin understandably was perplexed or confused that someone had sent him trillions of SHIB without his permission. And he also said, "I don't know what they were doing issuing those coins to me," and which made him donate around $1 billion of Shiba Inu coins to COVID-19 relief efforts in India, which was a great example set by him. If you do not need the money, it's best to donate it. Moving further on, the Shiba Inu website claimed victory. Buterin's move ensured our long-term success and stability, the Shiba Inu group said. And it quotes Ryoshi, "Thank you to the Wolfmeister for enabling true decentralization." The price tanked after Buterin's donation as he sold coins, but Shiba's notoriety persisted. By October, its value had surged into tens of billions. It can be hard to find the reason behind market moves in Bitcoin and Ether, much less Shiba Inu. But a couple things have probably helped the talk-themed cryptocurrency besides the attention from Buterin. There's also the really low price. You can buy a lot for not very much of money, making it more fun and low stakes than comparable bets. Shiba Inu has also created popular non-fungible tokens or NFTs, further bolstering its place in the crypto consciousness. In some ways, it is helpful that Shiba is clearly ridiculous. This is counterculture, cult stuff, and its disciples reveal in that. The more absurd it is, the better, said Anthony, co-founder at crypto lender Nexo. It's like an inside joke, only as it goes viral, the number of people in on the joke can go into the millions, pushing the valuation out of this universe. Of course, Shiba Inu holders are not value investors, as the coin price is unstable. For example, its recent value fell about 25% in one day after Shiba Inu whale, a name from someone with a very large portion of the outstanding supply, appeared to be selling part of their stake, and the market value is still off its October highs. But there is a reason to think that Shiba Inu is a bellwether of a larger, more durable trend. Memes have value and have an investable thesis in 2021. So what do you think? The Shiba Inu that you hold, how much valuable they are and how much their price is going to go up in the future. If you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to our channel and please do share in the comments below how much Shiba you hold and what do you think the future is going to be. We would love to know about it. Thank you.